Hello, this is a very quick look at the Sony Xperia L1. This is Sony's budget phone, and this is quite old now. A replacement model has come out, but this is still worth looking at because it's coming down in price. It has an SD card slot, takes up to 256 gig SD card and a nano SIM, and that just slots in the side there. And despite this clipping shut, there's no waterproofing on this. There's also no fingerprint scanner. It's charged via USB Type-C, and there is a headphone socket. At the time of review, this was running Android version 7, and for the most part it ran it very well. Sony does have a habit of loading up a lot of their own stuff over the Google apps, but it all works. You can install stuff straight from the Play Store if you don't like the Sony bits and pieces. And as you can see, it's fairly nippy in the hand. 720p screen. It's got a forward-facing 5 megapixel camera and a rear-facing 13 megapixel rear camera. The camera's okay. With budget phones, the camera tends to be the thing that suffers, and here I found, while it's okay, it was a little bit tricky to focus sometimes, and the colours aren't quite as punchy as real life. Flowers tend to have very vibrant colours. Some of these shots have turned out really well, and you've got the detail. Some of them not as good. Especially true of the video. You can see it's a little bit okay, struggling a little bit with the colours. I've also tried this outside, and it does an okay job of capturing our cat, although it's not the best I've seen her looking on a mobile phone. It's very good for gaming. Just be aware of the speaker placement, which is on the bottom, and means that your hand will cover it if you are playing a game in landscape mode, such as this driving game. It plays fine, it's very smooth, it's a really good screen, nice size, your hands don't get in the way, apart from when they cover up the speaker, and then you get quite a muffled sound. So if you're a bit of a gamer, you might want to make sure you've got some Bluetooth headphones so you can enjoy uninterrupted gaming sounds. If you're not too bothered about photography, then you'll find this to be an excellent mobile. It's great for day-to-day use. You can easily have a look through stuff online. It'll play videos without a problem. The speaker's at the bottom and it's fairly clear, although you can use headphones, both Bluetooth and wired headphones, which is nice to see they've retained the port. And what you do get for the low cost is the same styling that Sony use across the range. So here's the L1 compared to the XA1 Ultra, and you can see they look very similar in design, as Sony tends to keep the same design for both the lower and more premium handsets. I hope you found this short review useful. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please consider hitting the subscribe button. I'll see you next time.